Alright, what's up? Here's your first BAS video, solving systems of equations with multiplication and elimination. So here's the problem. You already know how to solve these with elimination. What you're trying to do is you're trying to get rid of one of these variables, either eliminate the x or eliminate the y. And you would typically do that by adding these equations. But what happens here is I see, well, I can't add -2 plus -1 gives me 3x. 6 plus 5 gives me 11y, 16 plus 18, 6 and 8 is 4, gives me 34. I haven't eliminated any variables, so this doesn't work as it stands right now. So what I need to do is I need to do some adjusting to these. So I want to look over here. I want to think by multiplying. Is it easy for me to turn a 6 into a 5 or a 5 into a 6? No, it's not. But then if I see multiplying, it's very easy for me to turn a -1 into a +2. So this -2 and a +2 would cancel out. So that's what I'm going to do. So I want to turn this -1 into a +2 so that these two variables cancel out. So I'm going to take this whole equation and multiply it by -2 and see what happens. So I rewrite this. This top equation stays the same. It's -2x plus 6y equals 16. That one hasn't changed. The bottom one, though, I multiplied everything, I'm just like distributing, by -2. So I end up with 2x minus 10y equals -36. Hopefully that looks clear to you. Times -2 times -2 times -2. Now look what I have. +2 and -2, these cancel out. Remember, those two cancel out. 6 plus -10 is -4y. 16 plus -36 is -20. Divide by -4, divide by -4. Y equals 5. And now once I know y equals 5, I can plug it back into any of these equations. I'm going to go right here. So -x plus 5 times, we just found y was, 5 equals 18. -x plus 25 equals 18. Minus 25, minus 25, -x equals what's that, 7? So divide by -1, divide by -1. I end up with x equals 7. Okay? There's my whole problem. Done. So it's the same as elimination. You just need to take it and multiply. So I'll just show you how to line up one more problem. So the next problem says 2x plus 2y equals 20. 3x minus 5y equals 14. This is a good one to look at. I can't turn a 2 into a 3 by multiplying. I can't turn a 2 into a 5 by multiplying. So I actually have to change both of these equations. I'm going to turn this into a 6, and I'm going to turn this into a -6. So I'm going to take this whole thing and multiply it by 3. I'm going to take this whole thing and multiply it by -2. So I end up with, I'm going to put it down here, 6x plus 6y equals, 3 times 2 is 60. And down here I end up with -6x plus 10y equals -28. These cancel. When I add them, these cancel, which is what I want. This ends up being a 16. 60 minus 28 is a 2. 32. 16y equals 32. Divide by 16. Divide by 16. Y equals 2. And once I know y equals 2, I can plug it back in and solve for x. In this case, I had to change both of the equations. BAS video number 1, done.